So today's Monday, February 23rd. Oh my man, when we still have this crazy snow blizzard. Oh, doing this. Look at William. He's working so hard. The snow is crazy. Very thick. See? Yay! Finally, we finished shuffling, right? Look at this guy, so tired. Oh, it's a tired Gabriel. Look at Zion. Oh, what is that,
He did
Zion?
nothing.
Oh, Papa. Oh, Daddy's so tired.
I'm tired. My back hurt.
Oh, his back hurt.
Oh, Mama. And all Mama did was just recording
No, I did shuffling
and just
too.
laying down.
Right, Zion?
I need a massage.
You need a massage. Okay, how about after this we massage each other? So nice. Thank you. Ah!
Nice.
Here, not my face. Oh my goodness.
No,
Not my face.
I ready?
No, not my face.
Oh, how about we put?
Yeah, cover me. Put in the
Cover
legs
with
now.
the
Put
snow.
in the legs.
He wants to cover. All right, let's bury him.
Not my face, okay? Legs first. Okay. Wait, not near here. I can break free.
Oh my. This guy's jumping. How does it feel?
Belly flop next.
Huh?
I'm a belly flop now. Ah! 3, 2, 1.
Oh my. Oh my. You okay? How was it? Huh?
I want to do it again.
Do you know that I'm actually laying down on the snow, and as I'm looking up, I see the trees filled with the snow. It's so pretty, so nice. Loving it. Do you want to see? Can you see what I see? Wow, so nice. So much fun.